In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Spotify password, and I'm using an Android device for this. So let's go to Spotify. Let's tap on the settings, and then let's just scroll down to support. Tap support. You'll be taken to the support page, and then here just search for reset password. So I'll just select this can't remember login details because it also has the option to reset your password. And here you just add the email address that you used to register. And now let's check our email. And as you could see in our email, we have been sent a link on how to reset our password. So here you could now put in the new password that you want. And that is how you change your password on Spotify on your phone. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.